Hello traders, before I get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now let us take a look at easy funded EA. On the MQL5 marketplace page, we can see that this is an MT5 only expert advisor developed by Barbaros Bulent Cortala. The current purchase price is 100 US dollars with a rental option available for 30 US dollars per month. The version shown here is 1.12 with 5 activations available. As I scroll through the description, it is clear that the EA is specifically designed for HFT prop firm challenges that allow this type of trading activity. The developer repeatedly emphasizes that the EA is intended for challenge accounts where HFT usage is permitted and specifically advises against using it on challenges, funded accounts, or live accounts that do not allow HFT trading. Now, one thing that stands out is the focus on simplicity. According to the developer, there is no requirement for VPS hosting, set files, or frequent parameter adjustments. The setup process is presented as straightforward, where the user simply loads the EA, sets the desired lot size, and allows it to operate. Another notable feature mentioned on the page is the ability to automatically stop operating once a target has been reached. The description also references account protection functionality, although the exact internal mechanics are not disclosed in the marketplace information. Okay, moving forward, let's move toward the back testing and performance section. So the marketplace page itself does not provide detailed historical testing methodology, specific modeling quality, or long-term backtest statistics. Because of that, it's important to avoid making assumptions about how the EA achieves its results. All right, but let's just quickly go to our strategy tester and let's see how the easy funded EA for MT5 performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 5 months, starting from the first day of 2026 till date. Now, as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server and we are using the every tick modeling. Looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 50.3, and the total trades taken were 851. Short trades were 513 with an 18.32% win rate. Long trades were 338 with a 23.67% win rate. The largest profit was $6.03. Largest loss was $2.22. The average profit was 35 cents and the average loss was 16 cents. So one of the things I observed here is that the EA targets just short-term price movement, and it's obvious because average profit is just 35 cents from an initial balance of $100,000. And of course, we can see that the risk to reward ratio is good. At least it is around 1:2, right? And as for the win rate is very, very poor. So despite the good win rate, despite the good risk to reward ratio on average, the win rate is very low. So it's not surprising to see a negative net profit that is just very little compared to the initial deposit. Now, when reviewing historical testing results or any charts provided, I would want to focus on how consistently the EA follows its intended challenge passing objective rather than trying to infer undisclosed strategy logic. All right. So the developer highlights speed of results and flexibility across different trading sessions rather than depending on a single market window. Okay. So now looking at the chart activity, the exact entry and exit methodologies might not be publicly disclosed. So, but I can evaluate the visible behavior shown in the result. And of course, one of the things I can observe here is how the EA targets short-term price movement, around areas where there seem to be prevailing momentum in the market. You will see how the trades seem to be around areas where momentum seems to sort of intensify of some sort, right? We can see these areas here. We can see here again, and no matter the prevailing condition in the market, the EA just targets short-term price movement. Now, since the EA is designed around challenge environment, it's reasonable to focus on how positions are managed and how performance evolves over the testing period rather than attempting to reverse engineer the strategy. Now, as always, any historical backtest results should be viewed strictly as historical analysis. Future performance can vary significantly depending on your broker conditions, execution quality, spreads, slippage, lot sizing, market conditions, and user specific settings. All right. I would also recommend conducting your own testing before using the EA in any challenge environment. Running longer term testing can provide a broader understanding of how the system behaves under different market conditions and account scenarios. All right. So, overall, the easy funded EA is positioned as a simple MT5 solution for traders who are interested in high frequency trading or HFT friendly prop firm challenges with an emphasis on ease of setup and minimal configuration. All right. But take note that, as with any automated system, independent testing and verification remain essential before making any trading decisions. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out on more valuable trading contents like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.